Can we have a big round of applause for them? So yes, sir, I would like to welcome both of you. Thank you so much for being here. I would request Mr. Arun Bhatia to please come up over here and welcome our guest. Are you guys excited to see the man and the woman definitely you people were waiting for? Thank you so much once again, both of you, for being here with us. Thank you so much, sir. Okay. It's okay, you can go for it. I would request you to please take your seats. Thank you. Okay, so let me tell you, these people were eagerly waiting for you people to arrive over here. So how do you feel? Your movie is releasing tomorrow. How do you feel right now?
Hi guys, feeling good, yeah? What's up? Feeling good, feeling very, very good. Very, very curious to see how you all will like the film. Pooja and I are very proud of the film. We worked very hard for the film, as you all know. A lot of time. Learned how to deal with things with a lot of patience. So yes, I hope you all enjoy the film, and yeah, let's see how what comes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Grateful, thankful that I've got this opportunity to be a part of this film. With such a good actor, I think that Mohenjo-daro, he will be one of his best acting films, because I saw the film and he's done a great job. So that I'm honored that I could be a part of that journey, and also to work with Ashutosh Gowarikar, who's been one of my dream directors, to be a part of his film. I'm honored.
That yes, you will be opposite Hrithik Roshan. How was your reaction? What do you felt at that time?
Well, my exact reaction was just like I was numb, because I couldn't believe that I had got this film with him. And it was only later on when I went back home and I told my mom, and she asked me, what happened at the meeting? And I told her that, yeah, I've been signed on for this. She jumped, she got excited, and then it kind of started settling in that I'm actually doing this film.
Okay, thank you so much.
Ulta, I think it's working, no? Hello. I just want to say that I think if this question was asked to me, I would have said that I think Pooja Hegde has been by far my best co-star. And so I could not have asked for a nicer person or a more talented actor to work with in this film. So thank you for that.
So
Okay,
my
so
day
Alaa-
has been made, but thank you.
Thank you so much. Anything both of you would like to say about your movie? Anything specifically which you want to highlight?
Nothing at all. It's time for you guys to see the film now. There is nothing that we can say that is going to matter now. It's one more day to go, so it's time to say, go watch the film.
Yes, that is a response from everyone out there. So yes, let me tell you, your fans are here so that they can have a one-on word with you. And definitely, so are you guys excited to have a conversation with Hrithik Roshan and Pooja Hegde? So anyone has any question out there? Come on, just raise up your hands. So we have someone? Okay, so can we just pass on the mic? We have someone who wants to talk. Here we go.
Hello, Hrithik sir. Hi, Pooja ma'am. Here.
Yes.
So for your character, where you got the guidance that a character of Mohenjo-daro should walk like this, should behave like this, or talk like this? Because generally people don't have any idea of people of Mohenjo-daro.
Yeah, even I had no idea. So I did whatever I wanted to. Who will say it's wrong?
That's the comfort you had.
Hello, sir. My name is Akriti, and I am a huge fan of your dancing especially,
Thank you.
and of course, acting. So, I had a question for you. What was that one thing that made you choose the script about the civilization? What was so appealing about the script that made you choose the script?
Actually, to be honest, it had nothing to do with the civilization or the fact that it's Mohenjo-daro or its period. It had a lot to do with the fact that it was Ashutosh Gwarekar.
Okay.
I had already done a film with him. So he's a filmmaker who gave us a film like Jodha Akbar, and that was also a very challenging, risky subject. So two things. One was the filmmaker. The other is that he's also a friend now. So more of a reason to collaborate again with a friend and have a good experience.
Okay. Wish you all the best for this movie, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So yes, we have someone out there. Okay, go on.
Hi, this is Varada, one of your biggest fan. I want to ask how you look so good in every movie and act so well.
I guess that question everyone has in mind out there.
Yeah.
That is your love reflecting off my
Oh
face.
God.
So thank you for that.
Thank you so
I
much.
can't believe I'm talking to you. Like seriously, I'm one of your biggest fan.
No, you are. You can ask somebody else also. It's true. You are talking to me. I'm talking to you.
Thank you.
Okay, any more questions out there?
Hello Ritik sir. Hi Pooja ma'am. What's up?
Hi.
So I've been your fan since Kahuna Pyara. I had watched it when I was 5 years old, and since then you have been my idol. So whenever I have an exam tomorrow, I feel quite pressure the day before. So do superstars also get nervous and feel the pressure one day before the release?
Yeah, our exam is over. Our shots have been done. So hamari acting, we've done our best. So we are at the stage of what you will feel after you've done the exam. So once you've done the exam and you're waiting for the result, you in your heart and your mind, you know exactly what you've done. मालूम है ना क्या I think I'll get so many marks. Already know. So it's cool.
Thank you sir. All the best for tomorrow.
I have a question here. I want a hug from you, please. And please.
Come.
Come, she's so cute.
Yeah, really. You're asking so cutely. You asked. I can't say no.
Please let her come.
asking you in such a cute way. Please, sir.
We want to dance with अपन नहीं ऐसा बोलो कि हम दोनों को दोनों के साथ डांस करना है
Okay. Thank you so much.
हेलो
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay. So yes, I would request the winners to come up over here. If you could just guide up for the photo shoot. See, if you people are looking forward to click photos with them, you have to go back, please.
ये अजय ये अजय उठाओ चुप क्या क्या है
Please once again give a very big round